Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing this outside of my porch because I don't have a garage, so I don't want to take it inside and do it. What I'm going to be doing is using the Holley rebuild. It's a trick kit that I got from Jigs. So that's what I'm going to be using to rebuild this. So I'm going to go ahead and start rebuilding. Alright guys, so another thing I wanted to tell you is, this is probably going to be a little hard to see, but where the bolts go through, I'm going to make sure you get the old gaskets out, because the new gaskets are going to be like a little rubber. So you want to make sure you get that out. And also, when you put the new ones in, both sides are going to be different. So make sure you get the right one and put it in there the same exact. Make sure all the lines, the holes match up, everything, before you go ahead and button it up. So that's another little thing I wanted to tell you. And so I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish this up quick. And because it's getting late, it's getting cold. It's probably down to like, I don't know, 40 degrees now. I'm sitting out here, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and I'll be back in a second. Alright guys, so that about does it for tonight. Here it is, all nice rebuilt. So tomorrow I will go ahead and bolt it back up. I'll get a new fuel filter for it and start it up, see how it runs, and adjust the screws, air fuel mixture screw right there. Shine a light on. Oh, excuse me. Usually I want to start, screw it all the way in, back it out 1.5 turns. So 1 full turn and then a half turn. So you're doing it 3 halves, if you want to look at it that way, on each side, and then go from there, adjusting it to where you think it sounds comfortable. It sounds running right. So, alright, you guys have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow.